Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair a cracked screen on an HP 22-GF0023W computer. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with removing the base so that the computer can lie flat. So just pick it up and you're going to want to pry up this bottom plate to expose two screws, and unscrewing those will let us remove the base. Now we can begin with actually moving the screen. So the first step is to pry up this bottom bezel. Once it is removed, you want to unscrew these screws. Once it is unscrewed, you want to take a pry tool and we can begin removing the screen. So starting from the bottom corner, you want to gently slide it in between the screen and the frame and gently pry it up. You go all the way around until the screen is loose. Once it is loose, you want to pick it up and lean it up against something, not to pull it straight up because there are all these cables. So we can begin on disconnecting them. So just going side to side on all of these cables. It's very important not to pull straight up as that can damage the cable. Instead, you want to go on both sides. There's little tabs. Pushing those up gently will pop out the cable properly. Next, we can begin on getting the screen out of the frame. So the first step is to disconnect all of these cables. And just like with the motherboard, it's very important not to pull straight up, so you want to go on both sides, pushing up from the little tabs. For the LVDS cable on the screen side, you can see these little metal clips. You must push those in a little bit, and then you can begin to pick up the cable. Once the cables are all disconnected, we can begin removing the screen from the frame. So you want to unscrew these screws. Then all that's left to do is remove the old broken panel and replace it with the new one. Now from here on, it's pretty much just doing all of the previous steps in reverse, so I'm just going to speed through it, only slowing down for a few key points. Alright, now it's time to plug the cables back into the screen. So you want to be careful and always push them from both edges. You generally don't want to push these cables straight down, as that can damage them. So just connect them carefully and then feed the cables back through these little cable management sockets. Now we can reconnect them to the motherboard. So you want to take the LVDS cable, and just like when taking it out, you need to sit it in the connector, and then this time push down on that white plate, and that will tighten it back in place. Now for the touch and backlight cables, it's very important that you make sure they are fully seated, as if they're not, then you're going to have either faulty touch spots on your screen, or in the backlight cable, you're going to get shadows on certain zones of your screen. Here, I'm just doing a quick power on test to see if all the cables are properly seated. And it looks like they are, so now we can continue. Once the screen is back in place, you want to use the palm of your hands as it applies a more even pressure and gently press all around the screen, snapping it back into place. Now that it's all done, let's turn it on and give it a final test. Alright, so it looks like it's working and there's no obvious problems. If it's giving you this repair message, that's fine, that's perfectly normal. You can just let it do its thing, and at the end, just hit restart and it should be fine. So this is how you repair a cracked screen on a HP 22-DF0023W computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there'll be a link in the description. We sell replacements for all the screens used in our videos. If you don't feel confident enough to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us at lcdguarantee.com, and we offer a mail and repair service. Thanks for watching.